Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Tsholo, Nyaredi. I'm from a company called GSTAAT. We specialize mainly in making clothes and training. The reason why the company was started was because we identified a need in the market of making clothes and also training people to be able to make their own clothes. These are some of the products that we make. We specialize mostly in African print. We can find us on social media. It's on Facebook, it's GSTAAT, GSTAAT. Instagram, it's G_start. You can contact us on 081 4879 855. Also located at Moteo Incubator, 46 St. George's Street, Bloemfontein. Hi, my name is Tsholo. I'm a township entrepreneur.